This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome back to the channel. Yes, today I am sharing with you one of my succulent plants that I nursed back to health. I have it in the kitchen sink because it's getting some garden plant spa treatment. I nursed this plant back to health because it was all shriveled up. It's even getting new leaves. See them? New life. Don't pay the background of this video any attention. I'm in the kitchen sink and you can see all of my little stuff in the background. But anyway, the purpose is about this succulent plant. It's a jade. We used to call them thumb plants because they resemble thumbs. But I love it. It's all green and glossy and healthy. I got a fake butterfly here. It's plastic butterfly. I got them from Amazon. I don't know why I did that. And I also stuck I don't know why I stuck this elephant plant here and there, but it started growing. See the little life, the little leaf right there? That's elephant plant. I don't know why I put that in there. Just companion plants to the rescue. Keep this jade plant company. They might have a plant conversation at night. Who knows? But I love this plant. Thank you guys for watching. And I have another plant I'm going to share with you guys that I hope I can continue to keep it growing and it won't die. Because I don't have a lot. I don't have any crops. I have herbs. And what? I did do tomatoes earlier in the summer, I believe. But now I'm just all about, I guess, no guessing. I'm just all about plants now. Outdoors, indoors. I have a few indoors and I have a lot outdoors. And I still have to do some decluttering. Ooh, my background is so tacky and my hand is all in the video. Okay, guys. I just wanted to share this lovely jade plant. See the new growth. Let me see if I can get my hand over there. Where are we? This way. The new growth right here. Isn't it lovely? I'm turning it, slowly turning for you succulent lovers. I have a few I love succulent plants myself. And I love the shapes, the designs, the patterns, the lusciousness of their leaves, the sturdiness, strong strength in the jade leaves of this plant. Well, hold on. Okay, the next plant that I'm sharing is garden sage. This is a herb. You use it in dressing, meats, sauces, gravies, whatever you prefer. And I got it from Home Depot, and I'm telling you, these things are more expensive now. It was like $4. I guess some of you guys say, that's not expensive. It is to me when they were $3 something. I am trying to keep this sage alive as well as my rosemary plant. I need to share with you guys my rosemary plant, but this is my sage. And it's hanging in there. It's like full sun. And hopefully I don't overwater and drown the roots. I love sage. The holidays are coming up, and what's not good about some fresh sage, fresh rosemary, fresh basil? I need me a basil plant. You guys like basil plants? Do you even like any kind of herb plants? Do you have any history about herb plants? If so, share in the comments. But I just wanted to share with you guys my latest new plant. I have cut off a few of the sage leaves, but got some new growth down there. I hope this plant survives, because I don't have the best luck with herbs sometimes. Basil, okay, but rosemary, I was doing okay, but not so much. And sage, oh, it's hard for me to grow. If I can just keep it growing, I would love to. I gotta find me some wild sage, y'all. Hold up, y'all. Okay, gardening spirit boosters, this is my rosemary. It's been staying alive now for a few months. I think I might have got a sturdy one or a different plant type rosemary. Ooh, it smells so fragrant. Oh, it smells so good. Rosemary is this herb is so good in so many dishes, especially, folks, get y'all fresh herbs for the holiday. Don't use your stale herbs, use some fresh herbs. The food is outstanding. Tastes so good when you have fresh herbs. This plant is smelling so good. It's the scent, the aroma, the herb perfume, the herb odor is beautiful. I love it. I wish I could keep it in the house, but there's no sun over here. That's why I have to keep it out on the balcony. It likes it out there. So that's where it lives. But look how lush it is. I love my friendly, loving Miss Janita rosemary plant. It's beautiful. I'm so happy it's thriving. If it dies, I'll share. But day at the spa, getting all perked up. It loved the little rain we had out here in Southern California. So this plant is sturdy, hardy, thriving, surviving Miss Janita's novice gardening skills. Well, guys, this is going to complete this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I just want to share my plants, succulent herbs. Y'all, that's in my garden. I just want to share, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Please, you guys, let's stay connected. Please, let's do the work equally. Visit each other's channel as often as you can. Not every day, but as often as you can, as much as possible, because I see you guys love plants. I love plants. I'm so happy I found a community where I am welcome and appreciated. I love all your compliments. I love all your inspirations. It's a beautiful place to be in the plant community. Love you guys. Have a great gardening day, and see you guys in another video. Bye for now. Thanks for your time and support.